Got a little 89 Oldsmobile Quad 4 for sale. Runs pretty good. It's cold nature because the gas is kind of old. Has a coolant leak right here somewhere. I'm not sure if it's a cap or what, but it's leaking coolant from that. Front end has been bumped, because you can see little spots where it's been in. A little bit of a wrinkle here on the fender. And it's got the headlights off a Cutlass Sierra. And this is a Cutlass Calais. Now you're seeing it without wheel covers because I bought some new ones because I bought new wheels and tires. It's got 14-inch tires as opposed to the 13s that came on it. They're brand new. They got maybe 5 miles on them. Paint all fell off and somebody rattle canned it. They did not do a very good job. Interior's in pretty good shape. Seats aren't all tore up. Headliner is shot. Somebody smoked in here and you could smell it. Interior's in pretty good shape. The latch needs to be fixed on the dashboard, on the glove box. Transmission shift's good. I've got a radio and installation kit to go with the car. I'll knock $100 off if you don't want the radio. It's got good heat. Doors shut, closed with a nice bunk. Doesn't have any rust. Got one spot here where something hit the plastic. And it's got one spot here, right here. This is the only rust really on the whole car. So all the paint fell off, but it's not rusty. Nice clean trunk. You can tell this is a 77,000 mile car, not 177,000. Yeah. Old people like me do not like these. Well, it's got 1,000,000 miles speedometer. It's only 77,000 miles. It is running bad fuel. Now you can smell the varnish. Now the exhaust has got a, well, it doesn't. Somebody took a glass pack, it's not even attached. Belt on the power steering and the belt on the serpentine is slipping a little bit. I've got a new belt for it. I have not put it on yet. The hood is sprinkled. Right there. That's really only major body damage it's got. That one little spot of rust. paint is terrible. It was originally light blue, and this is when they had that new paint process, did not require paint prep, which it turned out it did. So somebody rattle canned it, and they did not do a very good job. If I still have the car come spring, I'll repaint it. Smash windshield I got, so this is probably still setting from being installed. And the windows will tell you that you're an old person, because yes, the windows do work, as you got to use a crank on them. Check engine lights on. Most of them are minor stuff, I think, to do with the exhaust. Radio's not much count. But this is what a 35-year-old barn find looks and sounds like.